All right, here we are in the lab, nice and messy. There's Nick studying. Is that Nick over there studying for an exam? And there's the setup. This is actually the setup for the LAMS project. So just to show you the components, here's the box with the two transducers, one over here and one over there. And there's the holder. Remember that what she mentioned in this first stage, the sizing is not automated. This is where we put their samples in. So you got a function generator, and you got a DAC, and then of course the graphic user interface. All right, so I'm going to ask Loan now, who asked not to be photographed, to click the first button. This button up here, you can see the mouse. Click the first button. It's going to run. It's going to test for water. You got your V in, V out, and then your alpha, your attenuation coefficient, right, in dB per centimeter per megahertz. Got a value there. That value is now going to be used for doing the actual sample, and now she's going to actually put in a piece of her lunch. No, just kidding. It's a piece of pork. We just measured it with calipers. It's about 0.9 centimeters. So we're going to enter that value in here. Remember, the second stage of the project is going to have an automated sizer. This is the first stage that she completed very nicely. So the pork now, hopefully I can see it in here. It's in there in the sampler, right, with the base, with the scorpion in it. We'll talk about that later. So now she's going to click the button, and it's going to run. And here you actually get a very nice picture of the input and the output. You can see the difference in the two, and then those are the signals that are used for calculating. And the value we get is 0.47. And that's it, and that's the now attenuation coefficient of the sample. So we're just going to sign out for now. That's enough for the moving. That's basically how it works. And again, remember that in the next stage, we're actually going to have an automatic sizer, and that's going to be incorporated into this part right over here that I'm trying to photograph with my finger. And the whole thing will be completely automated, including with a source. Instead of a function generator, it's going to have its own source at 1 megahertz for producing this signal. All right, signing out.